Right, so that's a trap with the trigger right at the back. So I'll do a little bit of explaining now. So you've got this one, which is the upright one. It's just an ordinary stick. The top one, it's an ordinary stick, but one end has been carved kind of like square. Doesn't have to be square, it could just be flat on top. And then this one, this is where you put your bait, and here it's got two notches. One notch this way and one notch this way, so kind of like opposing notches. The only thing that's vital with this trap or this trigger is it's got to be set up with cage has to have something behind it, otherwise the whole thing seems to lift in the air and kind of come backwards. So you could either put forked sticks in the ground at the back, rocks, or it's got to have something at the back of it. So I might have to just get a book or something to put behind it. Hopefully you can see that. So you basically stick that one in there. This one, this part hooks there and then hooks into there. And you can lift it up like that. And you stick this one up there. You have to have something behind it. So this one is hooked into one of the bits of the cage, and this one is hooked into there. Now it will work both ways. So if you do this bottom notch a bit more squarer, it will pull both ways. If you do it more of a hook, it's going to go off more pulling this direction. So as it pulls there, it pulls the top that way, if you know what I mean. Because in the first part, I think I was knocking it that way, whereas you really want to pull it this way, or you want the animal to pull it that way. It goes off better like that. So relatively simple. Takes a little bit of doing to get the sticks right, if you know what I mean. But it's quite easy. But the thing is, it makes it one of the rare traps where the trigger is actually at the back, whereas most of the these type of traps, your trigger is always at the front. Pretty much put this stick wherever you like it, really. The more you have that up, you know, the more upright the trap is. So you can see how that goes in there. Just gets pushed in there. Just pushed in, and then this one is just running up there like that. But as you can see, the bait stick is right at the back there, so the animal's definitely going to be right inside here when he knocks that. Now, like I said, depending on how much you square that one off, this could go both ways. It will go better if it's pulled this way, but it can be used both ways. So stick your bait on there, it just will go off either way like I said. But this is vital that it's got something behind it. So either pegs, rocks, anything, you know, like that. It goes off pretty decent. Right, so cheers for watching. Before I go, one other thing I wanted to say was to everyone, you know, my regular commenters and that, look, sorry if I haven't been replying to comments lately or just replying to a few, but I've been doing other things, mainly writing another book, but I'll do a video about that later. It's already on Amazon now. It's how to make a natural slingshot, and I've kind of done it slightly different. The whole book is done in pictures, but with kind of like a white square on there with the writing in that, but the whole book is entirely pictures with minimal writing, you know what I mean, you know, the pictures do it more explaining. So that's why I haven't been replying lately or been on much, but I should be able to get back to it now, you know, 3 videos a week, whatever. Right, so anyway, cheers for watching and I'll see you later.